So,
awesome. Wow. You still demoing? Whoa, that's pretty cool.
It's for you. Everything for you, Daddy.
That's
You
pretty.
know I love you, Dad.
That's pretty solid, man. Nice job.
I'll give you a different one.
Yep. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Jason, aka Guy with the Meter, ISPLO Jokes for Florida.
Okay.
I've got 6 Orion HCCAs powered by 3 Orion HCCA SPL Series 5Ks. You say 5Ks.
Yep.
So,
Awesome. Wow.
1, 2, and I got to give credit. The enclosure done by Raw Customs, Chris Krause. Wiring, electrical, and all that good stuff
Yep.
done by me.
Nice. What are the tunings on the 6th order? You know them?
You're gonna find out.
Okay.
Cocaine is my girl. My California.
Wow. This plays really low too.
About 28 is where it's not what it is.
Really? Okay. This is a good one, 24 hertz.
Next treat, I'll make you disappear.
To say 3 5Ks, it feels like way more than that.
Well, when you said the Orion 5Ks, you say 5K.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, but we freaking gas out.
Uh-oh. I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name again?
Jason Swing.
Jason Swing. All right. Yes, sir. Awesome. Can I see the amp?
Yeah,
Amps in the back. Thank you. Wow.
JacobViral himself.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice. A lot of. How much lithium again? You had?
Was like 195 of these wood.
Okay.
like that.
Very nice.
I gotta see how boiling these are. Yeah, we're gonna calm down for a minute.
A little warm.
Yeah, I haven't ducked. This right here is cold.
You got some
Because
AC running.
The AC is running right here, but I need to replumb it.
Oh,
to
you
the-
got to plumb here and then it'll go.
Yeah. Yo.
Got it.
Hey, what's up, man?
Awesome.
What's going on? What's up, Jacob?
What's up, man?
Crack jaw. I'm gonna walk over here.
Thank you for the demo, man.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Don't get that another thought.
I got the one for you.
Next trick, I'll make you disappear.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.